Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to pick up where you left off from your quick summary to the Verify report. You should be getting an email that will direct you back to your quick summary, or you can go onto IncentiFind.com and log in and go to the dashboard to find your quick summary there. Once you've accessed your quick summary again, you can click here to generate the full report, which will take you to the checkout page where you can put in your payment information and click Complete Order, after which you'll be taken to this receipt page where you can click here to view the report. The Verify report is an incredible tool at finding all of the options that you have regarding the incentives that are applicable to your property. You'll see a number of different filters like utility, technology, building age, and all the incentives listed below with information on each one if you click into them. You can also star incentives that you like and see just those favorited incentives. And like I said, filter. So for example, let's say I'm working on an HVAC project. Now I can see the 18 incentives that are relevant to HVAC. We at IncentiFind understand that these can still be quite confusing to go through. Why not have our Apply Services team do all of the work for you from start to finish? Just click here to go to our Apply Services page to learn more, and you can apply via this short form, and someone from our team will reach out to you promptly. Thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for many more from IncentiFind.